Hey guys, so in honor of Ryan turning 10 months today, I wanted to do a styled photo shoot carnival theme. And so if you guys want to see how I created this whole setup, keep watching this video. So to start, I'm going to put this carnival themed tablecloth, which I got from one of my favorite stores to get a lot of my party supplies, Hobby Lobby. I'm using push pins to attach it to my wall. And it was actually pretty long, you guys. I'm surprised how long this tablecloth actually was. It extended out pretty far. So that was really great because I did want to have a setup where I had a background, but also a place where Ryan could sit on the floor whenever we took the pictures for his 10-month photo shoot. I also used tape at the bottom to make sure that the bottom stayed attached to the ground. So next steps with any of my photo shoots, you always need balloons. So I just used a couple balloons that I had in storage, blue and red, fitting for the carnival theme. I blew them up, and then I also made a few small clusters in blue and red that could go on top of the balloons. And so, like I said, I just blew up a few of those, and then I'm going to attach a balloon garland to the tablecloth that you guys saw earlier in the previous clip for our background. I'm now attaching the garland onto our backdrop. I used two command hooks, one on the left side where you guys can see that corner hanging, and then the other right above where I'm standing. This was super easy to do. It stuck on very easily, and then I just tied a 260 balloon to each command hook so that it can stay on the wall. These cute carnival tags I got from Hobby Lobby as well, and I'm gonna use tape to tape them onto the wall. That you guys see, there's so many cute signs. Like I said, it's gonna be super cute with the theme. The gang always has to join me whenever I'm doing something. Ryan and Princeton, best of buds. Now I'm gonna add a few little candies that I also got from Hobby Lobby to a candy jar that I also got from Hobby Lobby too. At this point, Hobby Lobby needs to sponsor me for this video because these lollipops are also from Hobby Lobby. I just added this to the candy jar. I feel like it made it look super cute, and of course, since it's a carnival theme, why not have candy at our little mini carnival photo shoot? So the last decor that I will be using is a popcorn balloon, and guess where it is from, you guys? Of course, Hobby Lobby. So I have a handheld balloon pump that I'm using to blow this up. This balloon came with one of those straws, but I don't like using those, so I pumped it with my handheld balloon, and now we're ready to style it. Our model is now on set and ready to go. I take so many pictures of Ryan. He's used to it by now. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked this setup, and I'll see you next time. Bye.